All right, let's bring in 4029 meteorologist with another check of the forecast. We got Robert here in the studio. So how's the rest of the weekend looking ahead of Easter?
We could not be under a nicer stretch of weather for the next week or so, which is thankful because of all the severe weather that we've had the past couple of weeks. The weather is going to be nearly perfect for at least the next 7 days, which you'll see in the extended forecast. But today is, for many people, the unofficial start of the holiday weekend, the Easter weekend. Here's that extended weekend forecast for Northwest Arkansas. A nice mix of clouds and sunshine nearly every day. Temperatures slowly rising this weekend from the lower 60s tomorrow into the upper 60s. Maybe we'll hit 70 on Sunday. As for the River Valley, about the same thing. A great weekend is on the way with temperatures slowly rising from the mid 60s to the lower 70s by the time we hit Easter Sunday. And it's all part of a trend of those temperatures very slowly stepping their way up by a degree or two every day through basically next week. This trend will continue as we get into Wednesday and beyond. And even our overnight lows really not too bad, from the upper 30s to upper 40s in Northwest Arkansas. River Valley, the same thing, 65 tomorrow, but near 75 by the time we get to Tuesday. So like I said, a very slow progression to those warmer temperatures, but it'll be comfortable. Out there right now, it's still very nice despite the mostly cloudy skies that we're seeing in Fayetteville. You can see the crowds filing into Arvest Ballpark. They got the field all ready to go for that 2023 opener, although lots of clouds here atop Kavanaugh Hill. But notice how much greener everything's getting because of all the rainfall that we have had. You don't get that brownness of that dormant grass. Things are waking up for the spring. Mid-50s right now across Northwest Arkansas, in the River Valley, upper 50s and a few lower 60s as well. Now this evening, basically over the next 36 hours, we will be nice and quiet despite some high clouds across the region. Waking up tomorrow morning, upper 30s and lower 40s will rebound quite nicely into the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll fire up the grill, no problems. Go ahead and do it. Cook those steaks in the nice weather. And then by Saturday morning, not too bad temperature-wise as well. There's one more look at those lows tonight. Upper 30s and lower 40s. Now to our north and our west, they do have some freeze warnings up because it's going to be a little bit chillier across northern Oklahoma. 60s for a good part for the region tomorrow. And there's a look at the extended forecast. No rainfall, no days with really blustery conditions, which is nice. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s over the next 7 days across Northwest Arkansas. A great Easter is on the way, and a great Easter Monday as well, despite the cloud cover. River Valley, the same thing, a mix of clouds and sun. Basically, for the next 7 days, very little in the way of rain chances. The rain chances that do exist are basically non-mentionable. They're so low right now. And temperatures rising into the upper 70s by next Thursday. Yesterday, Martin forecasted 61 for Waldron. 58 is how warm it got. That's good enough. That means that Marilyn Fox of Fort Smith, she'll be mailed a Darby Bybee umbrella here over the next couple of days. We'll take you to Clifty, northern Madison County. For tomorrow's forecast, hopefully we'll get up to 62 degrees. We are going to check the sports world coming up right after we check these commercial messages. Stay with us.